Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to choose gender on Lazada. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to choose gender on Lazada. Maybe because you want to choose a gender of your own on the Lazada app so that you could get product on based of your gender. If you're a male, you want the male products. If you're a female, so you want the female products. Or maybe you accidentally have added the wrong gender, so you want to correct it. Or there could be any other reason for you to choose gender on Lazada. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Lazada app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Now, if you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Lazada app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of options almost all over the screen and have different products on the screen that you could go and purchase. So here right now we're in the for you section, therefore you could see all these things. Other than for you, we have four other options as well at the bottom side of the screen, which one is called feed, messages, card and account. So now what we have to do here is that we just have to simply click on this account option, which is at the right bottom side of the screen, this one. Just simply click onto this option and then you will get into your account options. Here you will see your name and other stuff. Every option here is different from each other, so you just have to simply click on this settings icon. Once you click onto this option, you will get into the settings, and in the settings you will find different options. So all these options are here for the specific purpose that they perform in this app. So from all these options, you just have to simply click on this first option, which is account information. Just simply tap on it and then you will get into the details of your account. There you will see different options, and at the bottom you will see this option which says gender, and right now no gender is set. So once you click on it, here we have these options: male, female and other. So you can choose any one of these options. Whichever gender is yours, you can go with it, and once you tap on it, that gender will be selected here. Now later on you will get the products based on your gender. Like if you're a male, then you will get the male products, and if you're a female, then you will get the female products, and if you have choose the other, then you will get the other products. Otherwise it's all up to you. Whatever option you want to go with, that you can choose it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can choose a gender on Lazada. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.